Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to put or replace ink cartridge in a Canon PIXMA MX360. Okay, what you got to do, you need to pull this up, but sometimes when you pull that up, this doesn't come. So what you do, put this down, close this, then you lift it like from down, like you lift it down. It has a hooker which is gonna hook here, but now the issue is one, the machine is not in power. So let's close it. Okay, when you close it, okay, then you put it in power. Remember, when you put it in power, it's gonna, let me see what's going on here with the power. It's going to, its power is that side. So you put it there, then you make sure you open it. When you open it, it's gonna move. This is gonna move. Okay, that moves until the, okay, give it time to move around, move around. Okay, let me do this. So put this in flight mode. Okay, I want to put also, I want to avoid, you can see it came, it did come here. So eventually it's gonna come here in the middle. Then you do what? You press this. It's just, you lift this up. You lift this up. Then you can take out this guy, because this guy is empty, and take out this guy. So on the left hand side, that's where you find your color. On the right hand side, that's where you find your black. So now I've got a new cartridge. Put it here, let it sit, and also let this guy sit here. Then you click this. That means you're done with replacing them. So what you do, you lift a bit. Sometimes if it doesn't want to close, you can push this a bit here and give it time. It's gonna slide and drop. Done. Wow, that's fine. And close this guy. Then get some paper here. Put it in nicely, you know. Sometimes when you put in papers in the wrong way, you can get paper jams and all that. Okay. Okay, once you're done with that, then you can start making yourself a copy. You can say blank ink. Said what? Black ink is running low. So you can make a copy here. So okay, whatever it says, yeah. Well, that's it, guys. That's the way you replace toner ink cartridge in this PIXMA Canon model, which is MX360. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Yes, if this video has been good for you or taught you something, then that's good. That's what we're looking for, all of us.